Hey everybody, Ryan here from SWICKtech. With everybody working from home, we just wanted to put out a couple of tutorial videos on how to better work remotely if you have the Microsoft stack. So I just wanted to today show you how to create a new Teams meeting rather than just a new meeting. So as you can see here, I'm in Outlook's calendar functionality. If you don't know how to do that, right here in the lower left-hand corner, the mail icon is the one furthest to the left, and the one right over is the calendar. So here I am in the calendar. And if I want to create an appointment, there's several ways to do this, but I typically just kind of click on the time in the calendar and go to new appointment here in the upper left-hand corner. Now, if you want to do a Teams meeting rather than an appointment, it's just located just a few icons over here to the right. So I'll show you the difference right now. So if I want to do an appointment, just a regular appointment, here it is on my other screen, you'll see that I can put in the title and the location and so forth and put some notes in there. And then I can send that off to whomever I want to come to the meeting if I am inviting other people. But if I want to do a Teams meeting, it's a little bit different. You go to New Teams Meeting, and you can see that already something is different right here. In the kind of lower portion of the window, you can see that there's some stuff that was populated that wasn't there before. Join Teams meeting right there, and there's a link. So once I've filled out the rest of this information, like the title, who's going to come to the meeting, and some notes if I want to, and send that off, the person who's being invited to the meeting, they'll also have a link here so that once you guys are ready to meet, you go into your calendar and you just click on this link and it'll turn up in Teams in a nice platform where the meeting is taking place. All right, cool. Thanks for listening. Thanks for learning. Ryan with SWICKtech. Enjoy the rest of your day.